If you love chocolate-covered strawberries, you're going to fall in love with this rich and creamy chocolate-covered strawberry mocha. Combining bold espresso, luscious chocolate, sweet strawberry flavor, and velvety milk, this cafe-inspired drink tastes like dessert in a cup. Let's make this irresistible coffee treat together. Ingredients: 2 shots freshly brewed espresso, 1 cup whole milk, or your favorite milk, 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 1 tablespoon strawberry syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon sugar or honey. Whipped cream, chocolate shavings, fresh strawberry, sliced chocolate drizzle. Directions: brew 2 fresh shots of espresso and set them aside. In a small saucepan, heat the milk over medium-low heat until steaming, but not boiling. Froth the milk using a milk frother or whisk until smooth and creamy. In your favorite coffee mug, combine the chocolate syrup, strawberry syrup, vanilla extract, and sugar or honey if desired. Stir well until everything is evenly mixed. Pour the hot espresso into the mug and stir until the chocolate melts completely into the coffee. Slowly add the steamed milk while holding back the foam with a spoon. Then finish by spooning the silky foam over the top. Top the mocha with a generous swirl of whipped cream. Drizzle chocolate syrup over the whipped cream, sprinkle with chocolate shavings, and garnish with fresh strawberry slices for a beautiful finishing touch. Serve immediately while warm, and enjoy the delicious combination of rich espresso, smooth chocolate, sweet strawberry, and creamy milk. Every sip captures the flavor of a classic chocolate-covered strawberry in a luxurious homemade mocha. This chocolate-covered strawberry mocha is the perfect coffee treat for chocolate lovers and special occasions alike. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Leave a comment below with your favorite mocha flavor, and we'll see you in the next free ebook, Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.